Let me show you how to make iced coffee using a 2-cup breaker. Into the boiler, pour about 120 to 130 ml of warm or room temperature water. As you can see, the water level is below the recommended water level for this moka pot. This is my recipe for a concentrated brew, especially if making iced coffee. For the dose, I'm going to use 18 grams of coffee beans, grind medium to fine, closer to espresso grind. So it helps to have this dosing funnel here. Another useful tool is a needle stirrer, which helps to distribute the grinds evenly in the basket. What I normally do, because I always get a leak in this moka pot, is to make sure that I wet my rubber gasket before I put it back on there. And then I am going to also use a paper filter. This is just to make sure I get a more concentrated brew and even extraction. And so put it right underneath there and then just wet it so it clings to the filter plate. For iced coffee, you will need a full yield from the moka pot, which in this case would be about 90 to 100 ml of brewed coffee. Here's how to make vanilla Americano using moka pot coffee. Water, moka pot coffee, vanilla syrup, and ice. Enjoy!